Okay, now we're going to put in the face features. Find a window and put your fairy possum head up against the window, and the light will come through and you'll be able to see the eyes and the nose and the ears. It's quite dark outside today, so it's really hard to see them. This works a lot better when it's a sunny day, but see how you go. If you can't see through the paper, just draw the eyes wherever you want. It doesn't really matter, and put the nose down the bottom. I'm going to make sure I leave a little white dot in the eye for the eye shine, because that looks nice. Right there. These little stripes coming down the forehead like that, a bit wider. There we go. Alright, I'll finish this off at my desk.